Doors are more than just an entryway. They're a crucial part of your home's security, energy efficiency, and overall aesthetic. In Dallas, where the weather ranges from scorching summers to sudden winter chills, having a functional, well-maintained door is essential. Over time, even the best doors can wear down, compromising your comfort, safety, and energy bills. Here are the top signs that it's time to replace your door in your Dallas home. Difficulty opening or closing. If your door sticks, scrapes the floor, or requires extra effort to open or close, it might be time for a replacement. This could be due to swelling, warping, or frame misalignment, often caused by Dallas's hot, humid summers or fluctuating weather conditions. While minor issues can sometimes be repaired, persistent problems are a sign your door has reached the end of its lifespan. Visible wear and damage. Cracks, dents, peeling paint, or rotting wood are clear indicators that your door is no longer in good shape. Over time, weather exposure and general wear can weaken the door's structure. In Dallas, intense sunlight can also cause fading and damage, especially to wood and painted finishes. A damaged door isn't just unsightly, it can compromise your home's security and energy efficiency. Drafts and air leaks. If you feel a draft near your door or notice air leaks around the edges, it's a sign that your door isn't sealing properly. These gaps allow outdoor air to seep in and conditioned air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and increasing your energy bills. For Dallas homeowners dealing with extreme summer heat or winter cold, upgrading to a well-insulated door can make a noticeable difference in comfort and energy savings. Increased energy bill. A poorly insulated or damaged door can be a major source of energy loss. If your energy bills are higher than usual, your door may be a culprit. Modern doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind, featuring advanced materials, weather stripping, and insulation that help maintain indoor temperatures and reduce energy costs, essential for Dallas's variable climate. Visible gaps or cracks around the frame. Over time, gaps can develop between your door and its frame due to settling foundations or wear and tear. These gaps not only let in drafts but also allow pests and water to enter your home. In Dallas, where bugs and critters are common, replacing a poorly fitting door is an investment in both comfort and protection. Outdated appearance. Your door plays a significant role in your home's curb appeal. If it looks outdated, faded, or doesn't match the style of your home, it may be time for an upgrade. A new, stylish door can enhance the overall look of your home, increasing its value and creating a welcoming first impression. Noise pollution. If outside noise seems to travel through your door more than it used to, it's a sign that the door's insulation is failing. Modern doors are designed to block sound effectively, providing a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment, a particularly valuable feature if your Dallas home is near busy streets or noisy neighborhoods. Water damage or water intrusion can cause significant damage to wooden doors, leading to rot, warping, or mold growth. This is especially concerning during Dallas's occasional heavy rains. If you notice signs of water damage, it's likely time to replace the door with a weather-resistant option like fiberglass or steel. Security concerns. A door should provide a strong barrier against potential intruders. If your door feels flimsy, has a broken lock, or the frame shows signs of wear, your home's security may be compromised. Upgrading to a sturdy, modern door with reinforced locks can give you peace of mind and enhance your family's safety. Excessive maintenance requirements. Older doors often require frequent maintenance, such as repainting, sealing, or repairing. If you find yourself constantly trying to keep your door functional and presentable, replacing it with a low-maintenance option like fiberglass or steel can save you time and money in the long run. Benefits of door replacement. Replacing your door offers numerous advantages, including improved energy efficiency. A new door with proper insulation reduces drafts and lowers utility bills. Enhanced security. Modern doors are designed with advanced locking systems and durable materials for greater protection. Increased curb appeal. A stylish door instantly elevates the look of your home. Better comfort. Eliminate drafts and noise for a more pleasant indoor environment. Choosing the right door for your Dallas home. When selecting a replacement door, consider factors like material, insulation, and design. Popular options include fiberglass doors. Durable, energy efficient, and resistant to weather changes, making them ideal for Dallas. Steel doors. Highly secure and low maintenance, perfect for added protection. Wood doors. Classic and elegant, but require more upkeep to withstand Dallas's climate. Glass doors. Great for adding natural light, but ensure they have insulated glass to maintain energy efficiency. Conclusion. If your door is showing signs of wear, impacting your comfort, or failing to enhance your home's aesthetics, it's time to consider a replacement. A new door can improve your home's energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal, making it a worthwhile investment for Dallas homeowners. Contact a trusted door replacement specialist today to explore your options and enjoy the benefits of a fresh, functional entryway.